Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be creating an OS, that means an operating system in Scratch 3.0. You may copy some code of this tutorial, but not all. Change your operating system's name, color theme and design so that your creativity is visible. So now let's get started. So you can draw these costumes or take them from the link in the description. So we'll start with the code of the lock screen. When the flag is clicked, we'll go to looks and we'll take the block hide. When I receive lock screen forever, we'll create a new block named generate elements. OK. So when I receive lock screen forever, generate elements, define generate elements, go to x0 and y0, that means to the center of the screen. Switch costume to BG. We'll go to controls and we'll take the block create clone of myself. Set current number current time to 1. We'll go to controls and we'll take the block if else block. Inside the if else block we'll take a repeat block. We'll go to operators and we'll take the not block. Inside the cell of the not block, not current hour less than 10, then repeat length of current hour. Switch costume to letter dash of dash. Switch costume to letter current number current time of current hour. We'll go to controls and we'll take the block create clone of myself. We'll go to variables and we'll take the block change current number current time by 1. We'll go to motions and we'll take the block move 45 steps. If else block, we'll take the equals to sign from the operators. If current hour equals to 0, then switch costume to 0, create clone of myself, move 45 steps, switch costume to 0, create clone of myself. Same for if current hour equals to 2, switch costume to 2. If current hour equals to 3, switch costume to 3. If current hour equals to 4, switch costume to 4. If current hour equals to 6, switch costume to 6. Same for 7. If current hour equals to 7, switch costume to 7. If current hour equals to 8, switch costume to 8. If current hour equals to 9, switch costume to 9. And at the last, we'll take the block move 45 steps. Switch costume to colon beneath it. Create clone of myself, move 22 steps, set current number current time to 1, if else block. If not current minute less than 10, then repeat length of current minute, switch costume to letter current number current time of current minute. Create clone of myself. We'll take the block from variables, change current number current time by 1, move 45 steps. If else block beneath it, if current minute equals to 0, then switch costume to 0, create clone of myself, move 45 steps, switch costume to 0, create clone of myself. Duplicate it, change the values like this. If current minute equals to 2, then switch costume to 2. If current minute equals to 3, then switch costume to 3. If current minute equals to 4, then switch costume to 4. If current minute equals to 5, switch costume to 5. If current minute equals to 6, switch costume to 6. If current minute equals to 7, switch costume to 7. If current minute equals to 8, switch costume to 8. If current minute equals to 9, switch costume to 9. If current day of week equals to 1, then switch costume to Sunday. If current day of week equals to 2, then switch costume to Monday. Same for day of week 3, switch costume to Tuesday. If current day of week equals to 4, then switch costume to Wednesday. If current day of week equals to 5, switch costume to Thursday. If current day of week equals to 6, then switch costume to Friday. If current day of week equals to 7, then switch costume to Saturday. Go to x minus 10 and y 0. Create clone of myself. If current month equals to 1, then switch costume to January. If current month equals to 2, then switch costume to February. If current month equals to 3, then switch costume to March. If current month equals to 4, then switch costume to April. If current month equals to 5, then switch costume to May. If current month equals to 6, then switch costume to June. If current month equals to 7, then switch costume to July. If current month equals to 8, switch costume to August. If current month equals to 9, switch costume to September. If current month equals to 10, then switch costume to October. If current month equals to 11, then switch costume to November. And if current month equals to 12, then switch costume to December. And at the last, we'll take the go to block. Go to x25 and y0, create clone of myself. If else block. If current date equals to 1, then switch costume to first. If current date equals to 2, then switch costume to second. If current date equals to 3, then switch costume to third. If current date equals to 4, then switch costume to fourth. If current date equals to 5, then switch costume to 5. If current date equals to 6, then switch costume to 6. If current date equals to 7, then switch costume to 7th. If current date equals to 8, then switch costume to 8th. If current date equals to 9, then switch costume to 9. If current date equals to 10, then switch costume to 10. If current date equals to 11, then switch costume to 11th. If current date equals to 12, then switch costume to 12th. If current date equals to 13, then switch costume to 13th. If current date equals to 14, switch costume to 14th. If current date equals to 15, then switch costume to 15th. If current date equals to 16, then switch costume to 16th. If current date equals to 17, then switch costume to 17th. If current date equals to 18, then switch costume to 18th. If current date equals to 19, then switch costume to 19th. If current date equals to 20, then switch costume to 20th. If current date equals to 21, then switch costume to 21st. If current date equals to 22, then switch costume to 22nd. If current date equals to 23, then switch costume to 23rd. If current date equals to 24, then switch costume to 24. If current date equals to 25, then switch costume to 25. If current date equals to 26, switch costume to 26. If current date equals to 27, then switch costume to 27th. If current date equals to 28, then switch costume to 28. If current date equals to 29, switch costume to 29. If current date equals to 30th, then switch costume to 30th. And at last, if current date equals to 31st, then switch costume to 31st. When I start as a clone, show. Wait for 0.1 seconds, delete this clone. I will start with the code of the home screen slider. When the flag is clicked, we'll go to motions and we'll take the block code to x0 and y0. Clear graphic effects, hide. When I receive lock screen, go to x0 and y0. Wait 0.3 seconds, show. forever, if else block, if touching mouse pointer, then set brightness effect to -20, else set brightness effect to 0, that means to the normal state. If block and block from operators, if touching mouse pointer and mouse down, then broadcast desktop screen presenting animation. When I receive desktop screen presenting animation, repeat 20, change ghost effect by 5, hide, broadcast desktop. When I receive desktop screen presenting animation, repeat 29, change Y by 10. Now we'll go to desktop screen. When the flag is clicked, go to X0 and Y0, hide. When I receive desktop, switch costume to wall 1, create clone of myself, switch costume to assets, create clone of myself. We'll be later on adding more assets. When I start as a clone, show. So if you like the project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more such videos, don't forget to put the notification bell on. Bye, meet you next time.